This is a message to Obama. I was set up by 934, September 3rd, 2004, by your government, by your CIA agents. I would like my 934 card, where I get $1,000 for 9,340 days, set for life. Whatever money I don't spend on what day gets automatically deleted from my account and goes donated to whatever kind of charity whoever's winner on that day of my choosing, or whoever controls the wonk that I created back. Now we know Bill Clinton brought wonk back in 1993 with the policy wonk, and we got the Chicago policy wonk, Chicago wonk 2007, what other F-U-C-K you want to call it, but I'm trying to be as nice as possible. I can't live anymore. I don't know what to do. I'm computer illiterate. I don't know how to start a business. So give me my 934 card since I died basically in every movie, not every movie, but our life are presetted, our lives, are presetted and are predicted and are gone through how we make it. So basically, Toy Story 3 and The Dark Side of Sunnyside wouldn't have been made if it wasn't for me and a lot of these wrestling ideas from WWE and TNA. And basically, yes, I worked harder than you think. I know I'm on a hidden surveillance reality show. I don't know how it's going, but your people are after me for some reason, I don't know, and I want my money. $9,340,000. That's all I'm asking for. Because I died already, and I want people to like me. You know what I'm saying? Nobody, I get no interaction. I got no friends. So, this is my way of coming out to you. Barack, talk to me. Have a meeting. I'm from Chicago, Northwest Side. Grew up in Portage Park area, Jefferson Park, Wilson Park. You know. You should know all the history. Lincoln's Hood. So, take into consideration. And this is the wonk side, not the west side. This is for winners. Boom. So, wonk back and have fun being president for the rest of your term. And no World War III like I started.